everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me today. I'm excited because we're going to be getting into Cabi Fall New Arrivals. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks like to hang out with me. We have Willie, Dexter, and Loki, and sometimes Harvey the Kitty shows up. Please hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. This one is Dexter, already ready to say hi and help out, and this one would be Willie. All right, so Cabi comes out with their amazing fall lines, which we've talked about a couple times already, and then they come out with some new arrivals. This is the first group of new arrivals that I'm going to be sharing with you today. I think I picked 6 pieces from it. Maybe 7 because that's also the necklace. So I'm excited to dig right in. Let's do it. We're going to start with this cute little track suit. This is adorable. So I went back and forth with my stylist on this one, and it is exactly as she explained it. It is incredibly soft. It's got a nice wide leg, the great little running stripes. It is pull-on style. I love the black color blocking. Just so much fun. So Cabi stands for Carol Anderson by invitation, which means you must work with a stylist to get any of the pieces. My stylist is Lisa. She rocks. She'll tell me what she thinks I'll like, what she thinks I won't like. She'll work with me on sizing. She's amazing. If you don't have your own Cabi stylist right now, I will put information down below for you so you can use her to talk about all the amazing Cabi styles. There are ways to get discounts. That's typically by having parties. A party is you and 2 other people. You can do it virtually. You can do it in your home and have a Cabi stylist come. There's so many ways, and there's discounts on the items. These items are also not so trendy. They're not going to carry forward season over season, year over year, and they do create collections that are cohesive. All right, so I'm in love with these pants. I paired them with tennis shoes for the typical track suit look. So this one is a nice one, perfect for travel, airports, Sundays, dog walks, right? All the things. Just paired it with these cute tennis shoes by 7 or 9. They're so comfy. But you could also dress this outfit up if you wanted. Let's talk about the material. It is uber soft, lots of stretch. Check out this jacket with the color blocking, cropped, hitting right at the little bit past the bottom of the waistband of the pants. I'm wearing my normal size for all of these, which is an extra small. The pockets on the pants have zippers. Dexter has a lot to say. Always, always. I love this. So the color blocking black at the bottom matches the color block on the pants. This is fabulous. Let me know what you guys think. I think it is so cute. And then if you want to dress these pants up, like you could obviously put this jacket on with denim. We can try that. I happen to have this cute little vest sweater on today, and I thought you could swap out your shoes for a heel or a bootie. Wear these as more of a dressy pant because the running stripe track pants are so in right now. Pair it with something a little bit different like this, add a blazer, high heels. How cute. Right? This sweater's not from Cabi, just had it on today and thought how fun would this look be. All right, let's talk about these pieces. And I want to make sure you know about the fabric because it's just amazing. So the track jacket is $149. It comes in sizes extra small to extra large. It's a medium weight knit, easy fit, and it's a center back length of 20 inches. As the track jacket features a heather cream body with a black sleeve and satin stripe accents designed with a zip front, turtleneck. So if you zip it the whole way up, turtleneck. Blends modern polish with vintage sportswear. Tight, pair it with the track pants for a complete look. So cute. They also have the, on top of the whole suit, they have it paired with the leopard jacket, which I also haven't shared with you guys. How cute does that look together? And then this is the picture they're showing with jeans, which I also think is a really smart look. All right, and then for the track pant, they are $139. Come in sizes extra small to extra large. It says athletic wear gets the luxury of treatment in the track pant with satin stripes, details, and a flattering wide leg. Its high-end fabric and contrast accents make it perfect when dressed up with heels or paired with the track jacket for a coordinated look. Easy fit, high rise, elastic waistband, wide leg, contrast fabric, satin stripe down the seams. And it's a 30-inch inseam, so that's how it works for me. Anything longer than that would probably be too long. And it's 70% viscose, 25% polyester, 5% elastane, and the contrast is 100% nylon. Let's keep going. All right, so for this next look, I put the Cooper back on. If you haven't tried the Cooper, it is amazing. Boyfriend fit, feels like perfection on the body. Has a little bit of that like dirty wash look to it, but that will wash off if you don't like it after a few wears. I kind of enjoy it, so I'm gonna try to keep it as long as I can. I just think it adds some character to it. But this was in the original collection, so not part of the new collection. Paired it with this amazing sweater, part of the new collection. Check this out. I also have this really pretty double strand necklace. You can wear each of these separate as well, or you can wear them together. Check out how pretty that green is. This is the Felicity necklace from the original fall collection. Love these pieces. All right, so this sweater, check out this fun detail. How fun is that? The gold hardware, the gold zippers. You could leave it out. You can do a tuck, a little front tuck, side tuck. How adorable is this? Love it. Added a leopard shoe just for some fun. I love everything about this. It is soft. It's a V-neck, of course, my favorite, so why I would pick it. The hardware is so fun. Here's how far up it goes. That's all the way. So still, you know, well, a little bit higher than the pants. Now you can see that. So here's the pants. Goes a little bit higher. So I must not have gone. Yeah, I did go all the way up on this side. There we go. But then you can do anything in between, right? So cute. I love it with a little bit of a front tuck. You could add the fun belt and a different booty. Remember my belt from before with the browns and the creams, right? And then you could also add, wait for it, yes, this yummy, yummy coat. I'm calling it a coat because it's a nice weight, all furry on the inside, feels amazing. This yummy, yummy collar, little cuffed sleeve here, which you could cuff even more if you have shorter arms like I do. How adorable is this? It does have the leather toggle, or I should say leather button. Adorable, right? I love this. It's so, so comfy pretty. All right. So for these pieces, let's start with the Felicity necklace. This is a gold medium weight chain with an emerald cut green stone and a crystal drop. The Felicity necklace brings instant polish to work presentations and celebratory dinners. Wear its layers together or separately and pair with the Felicity earrings for a striking coordinated finish, so you can get the earrings to match. All right, and then for the Cooper Jean, which is part of the original fall collection, 159, comes in sizes 00 to 16. It says shape with a barrel tapered leg and finished with an oil-stained wash. The Cooper Jean is a relaxed high-rise pant with a refined edge, an on-trend take on classic denim that'll make your current wardrobe feel refreshed. It's cropped and has a rugged detail, making it ideal for weekend getaways. You can see more of this one in my previous video that I did on all the Cabi new fall pieces, but I just want to make sure I got a chance to tell you which one that was. Let's talk about the Jones jacket next, because I think it's so amazing. $199 is the price of this one. Again, you can get discounts, just work with your stylist. Comes in extra small to extra large. It says it's a faux suede with Sherpa lining, toggle closure, and cuffed sleeves add texture and personality, while the neutral color pairs perfectly with everything in your closet. So easy fit, lower welt pockets, toggle closure with leather-like buttons and toggle patches, and the center back length is 22 inches. All right, so next up is this sweater, which I am in love with. It is called the Mocha Pullover. It comes in extra small to extra large, $149. You know the browns are so in this year. It's crafted in a rich latte hue. The Mocha Pullover is designed with wide rib stitches and a relaxed fit. A V neckline and functioning gold zippers at the side seams brings unexpected detail, making it the perfect sweater for layering with cords and for denim. It's a medium weight knit, relaxed fit with slightly dropped shoulders. I got one more outfit for you. Final outfit. How cute is this one? All right, I have on the Lennox Jean, the little Henley that was from the fall. So the belt and the jean, the Lennox Jean is from the new collection. These are so fun. So again, you can see more about this one in my first collection, but I will just give you the information on it. This is adorable with the waffling. I really enjoy it. It's so comfy, like an elevated sweater. This belt, bring a little bling, right? Wear it with a dress, wear it with jeans, bring the bling, not obnoxious, just perfectly sparkly. In black, and the jeans also black, wide leg, nice length. So probably I would say these are probably 30 inches as well, so we'll see. Check out the thicker hem. They have some stretch. And you can get all kinds of fun outfit ideas from Cabi as well. So your stylist will share outfit pairings with you, as well as you get a lot of emails that give all kinds of outfit ideas of how to wear the pieces. Okay, so for the Henley Pullover, it is $119 before any discounts. And it comes in sizes extra small to extra large. It said it delivers a classic thermal look with delicate pointelle twist, lightweight knit, flattering fit, layers easily under jackets or over tees in vintage white with a 4-button front. Let's talk about these fun jeans. They are $149. They come in a regular length, which I have on, as well as a longer length, sizes 0 to 16. The regular length is 31 inches. The longer length is 34 inches. It said it redefines black denim with a leg lengthening wide leg silhouette and high rise waist, slim through the hip with 5-pocket styling and designed with stretch fabrication for comfort and flattering fit. This jean is a versatile wardrobe essential. These are all the jeans I get from Cabi, I have to tell you, are always fabulous, and this pair feels no different. So last, I want to talk about the Twinkle Belt at $139. This belt comes in sizes extra small to extra large. The rhinestones catch the light from every angle when wearing this Twinkle Belt. The slim fit leather beauty is your outfit's exclamation point. I love that. Equally stunning with denim or everyday glamour or dressed up holiday look when you need the extra bit of shine. So extra small is 34.5 inches. That's what I'm wearing. Small is 37 inches. Medium is 39.5. Large 42.5. And extra large 45.5. And that's all of my new pieces. So I think I had 6 new pieces: the coat, the belt, these jeans, the tracksuit, as well as the V-neck zip sweater. Then I just sprinkled in a little other in there to create some really cool outfits. So if you have any of those pieces, that'll just show how well these will pair together nicely with them. Let me just quickly give you the price of the necklace. I think I forgot to do that. So the necklace is $119, but remember you are getting 2 necklaces in one. Cabi always does a nice job with her necklaces. One, like, you could turn from a necklace into a belt. They're almost always multi-wear, so I do love them. I think this outfit is so cute. Add a cute little leather jacket. Awesome pieces. So I love my Cabi. You'll see a lot of those in my outfit of the day. I'll put my information for Lisa, my stylist, down below in case you don't have a Cabi stylist. Otherwise, get in touch with your Cabi stylist before the pieces are gone. They sell out so quickly, so be sure to at least give them a try. It is easy returns if you don't like them, but you don't want to miss out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and swipe to hype so I can keep on doing this. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.